According to CDC, if everybody wears a mask by October of 2020, over 33,000 lives will be saved. But this could present a bigger problem for our nature that no one is seeing coming. Our animals cannot handle what is fixing to happen with disposable face masks. When people toss their unwanted disposable face mask into the waterways, birds are actually getting tangled and caught in the strings, and it's killing them. If possible, wear reusable face masks, and when done, take them off and wash them, hand wash them, and even put essential oils in it to sanitize your mat. Or just cut the straps off your disposable mask and properly dispose of them in a recycling facility.